Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to share your contacts on Google Drive. First, you need to install this application on your mobile device. After that, open it and click on Export Contacts. After that, you should click on Select All to select all contacts in your mobile phone. After that, click on Export Contacts. Select the VCF file and click on Backup. Wait for the application to generate the VCF file and click OK. After that, click on these three dots and click on Share. Now we will share this file containing all our contacts to Drive. Click on Drive and wait for Drive to upload. After that, give it a name and then click on Upload. And yeah, now you're uploading your contacts to Google Drive and it's ready to share to other devices to be installed in other devices or to be shared to someone else to install your contacts on his device. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.